Hello, everybody. It is the 10th of August, 2021 on the NQE Mini 5-minute chart. And I traded my normal 5-minute, first 5-minute candle, and it failed on me. I got filled, got knocked out, 5-point loss, $100. And I am waiting for a 1, 2, 3 setup down here. If it forms, I'll get back in to the long side. It had a good drop, though. And I'll be back if a 1, 2, 3 reversal sets in. So stay tuned. Okay, folks. So here's the way I look at this, and I'm trying to trade this if it happens. Is I've got my 1, my 2, and somewhere in here is going to be a 3 if it does not continue down and break. Now, if it breaks below this, all bets are off. You just start reset and start looking for that 1, 2, 3 again. It's also called a W, where it'd be the first leg of the W's here, comes up, comes down, and then goes back up. But I will be looking to buy if this candle or a few more candles comes down in here somewhere. I'll be looking to buy above this high right here. Now, this may not set up, I don't know, but here's another thing I look at is this is the slow stochastic here in this level. And here's the chart up here. This is the NQ. Here's the relative strength index, which is the RSI, and this is the MACD. Well, usually the MACD is crossing over when that 1, 2, 3 sets up. Okay. Now, what I like to see is this RSI crossing the 50. That's the 50 line right there, percent. Usually they have you always try to buy it down in the 30 area and all that, from what I remember. And slow stochastic. I want this to be crossing the 50, right around, maybe this one is crossing a little ahead of it because it moves a little faster. But all these should be crossing at the same time that 1, 2, 3 sets up. And that's when I put my buy order in above that high that it made. And usually I only have to risk 5 points because it's usually strong enough to keep pushing. And sometimes I will put my stop, well, here it just got let go. Here, let me get back over here and show you. Yep. So I will still wait using this for a high or wherever this high comes in, and it comes back down and can't continue. That's when this is the setup I'm looking for. So I'll be back if it does set up, and hopefully it does, and I'll be able to talk you through what I just told you here. All right, so I did have my order in to buy above this high right here at 58.50. Because the red candle here, and it looked like it was going to pull back more than it did, and I was just getting ready for it. But here's what I don't like: this is not up near enough to the 50-yard line. Now this is already showing up that it should take off if it crosses 58.50. It's just that the slow stochastic, I like it to be up closer when it breaks out above. So hopefully I can get another red candle in here that comes down a little bit to try to go lower and then fail, and then the buyers step in and start buying it back up. But we'll see what happens. I've just learned not to take too many chances. Now, if that thing was already crossed, like if all these were right at the 50, heck yeah, I'd keep my order in right there above that candle. But as it stands now, I'm not ready to do that. So I will be back if something comes up here. All right, folks, I went ahead and put my order in off that 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3. It came down just a little bit there. I feel it was a safe bet. I'm up $250 right now. I think it's headed for the VWAP, which is this line right here. And that is right around 87, 76. I've got my sell order in at 86 and a quarter. As strong as it is, I think I'm going to move my stop up to break even. So things are looking pretty good right now. I can always change real quick, but I wish this was already crossing. That would make a better lead, that's for sure. So this is already crossing. We've got the MACD's crossed over. We're up at 52 right now on the 52% on the RSI, and this is at 36. It could keep, it could fill up this gap in here. It could even go up and make new highs today. So I will come back when I let you know. I'll let you know how things play out here. Okay, everything is looking pretty strong. This is the slow stochastic is almost crossing over. It has crossed the 50. We're up at 56.83, 57 on the RSI. Everything's looking bullish. I am in still long. I'm up $495, $500 right now. I've got my order in to sell it at 90, 50. Right now is about the time where 86 is probably where I should. I'm just going to kind of see. It's looking really strong, so maybe if I can squeeze a couple more points out, since this just is now crossing. 57, if I'd see it go back up 58 in this area, on this one, RSI, it's usually a pretty good sign, but yeah, it's still looking kind of strong. I may be able to squeeze 90 out of it, but then again, I'm up 475. I'll tell you what, I'm going to bring it down to 480, 150.85 and a quarter. See if it can pop up there again. It's at 56 a quarter, 57. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to come back over here and yeah, I may have missed my spot there. It went up to 85.75. I'm at 85 and a quarter right now. Let's go over here to the this one right here, the range chart. It's still looking pretty good. The strength, it probably will hit up at 85. So it's 81 and a quarter. The cumulative delta is what I'm looking at down here. I usually take a profit at $400. Today, let me go back over here real quick. 56.04. It's losing a little bit of steam. Yeah, 55. I think I want to call it. I don't like to get too greedy on this stuff. Tell you what, let me just pull. See if I can make one more stab up here. 82. Tell you what, I think it's going to go back up there. Let's look at this. 55.35. Yeah, it's trying to go back up above 56. This one right here, but it's kind of waning right now too. So $400. I'll tell you what, folks. 400. I just see. Yep, it's over 400. I went ahead and took 410 out of it, so it could keep going on up. I'm done for the day though. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I was down $100, and then I came back with 400. So and it looks like it's going to go on up. So I just wanted to, since I was down 100, I wanted to get a little bit of money out of this thing. So I'm going to come back tomorrow with another video and start the trading day off. I hope you join me. I hope you enjoyed this and found it educational. And I hope you had a good trading day yourself. So I'm done, and we'll see you tomorrow.